I wonder where that rake had gone. Last night I was asked to go out and replace a light bulb in the front. I walked into the torch, into the shed, and some of the guys had put the rake back, and I did the absolute classic tread on the rake, spring up. Fortunately it didn't hit me on the head, but it hit me on the chest. I'm surprised they found it, because unfortunately in the heat of the moment I chucked it over the far side, but they found it and brought it back. We've got so much hardcore coming in to fill the beds to make them permanent, because of course we're going to be using this for years and years. The thought of barrowing them from quite a way from that lower field where the roadway is up here was too much to bear. So we're using the we've got a big digger who's helping carry them up in ton bags up here, which will save a lot of effort. But the scale of just how many paths I've got here and the size of the paths are starting to dawn on me, because they're about a metre wide. Do you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking there's three people that are going to really enjoy this. Well, people, or life forms, should I say. One, me, about getting the wheelbarrow around. It's going to be lovely. Two, the tortoise, because we're going to put a wall around the outside so the tortoise can be in here running around, helping with weed control, the old dandelion. That'll get scoffed in a heartbeat. But you know, the kids are going to be here with their go-karts and bikes doing a trackway. So there's plenty of heavy material still coming in. There's quite a bit of work at the weekend. There's a bit of a battle going on at the moment. Some people are thinking, let's just crack on with the paths. But personally speaking, I want to get the greenhouse up and running. So we've got the replacement bit here. I want the roof on, and I want it all properly glazed, because there's a lot of geraniums over the far side that I need to get in here to protect. Some of them that I've had for years and years. You know, I just want to get in. I just want to start going. I want to sow a few seeds. I just want to get started. I know it isn't all finished, but we can fix it as we go. And I'm getting some early crops into the ground so I can wake up in the morning and run up here with my usual kid-like enthusiasm, see if anything's germinated. But you know, step by step, we're getting closer.